So here we have the PROVEO, it's our high-end microscope for anterior and posterior segment surgery. For anterior segment surgery, the illumination is LED, and we have coaxial illumination with a stable red reflex. For posterior segment, the inverters are integrated for the main surgeon and the assistant, and as I mentioned before, being this a platform, the base, the tower, is prepared to upgrade for the future, maybe for IOL placement solution, or in the future, of course, for the integrated OCT as well. Again, this is the PROVEO platform for anterior and posterior segment surgeons. Thank you.